So here I am in my bedroom drying my hair, and we have a little bunny not far from the bed where I'm sitting on, just in my, can you see him? In my wardrobe down there. He likes snuggling in the wardrobe in amongst all the clothes, and the messier the better for him, I think. So basically, how did we get Bunny accustomed to noises in the same room as us? So basically we were advised to start little and gently introduce him to the noise until he gradually becomes accustomed to it. We started off a little bit at a time, so just blow dry perhaps for a minute or two while he's in another room. So we didn't start it off with him in the same room straight away. So Pom Pom was in a different room, and we started the noise. Gradually over time he's got used to the various noises and what they are, so he's okay with the hairdryer even if I'm in the same room with him now. Just woken up now, he's heard my voice. The same with the Hoover. We started off with him in a different room. He's a free roam bunny, so we started off with perhaps a quick Hoover in the lounge while he would be in the kitchen, and vice versa. And he gradually became accustomed to the noise. Now, I won't lie to you, he still doesn't like the Hoover if it's near him or possibly even in the same room as him. But he has gradually just become accustomed to those household noises and isn't too bothered by them anymore. I've even had a bit of luck with my blender, done some baking recently, and he's not too bad being around the blender. He used to dart and run away at the very first sound of it, but he's not too bad now. So that's how we got Pom Pom accustomed to noises, and there he is back in the wardrobe, just not far from me at all, and here I am drying my hair.